You're building a deck, but it's not just any deck. With Trex RainEscape, you can build a dream. And whether that dream is to build an entertainment wonderland, design an outdoor area to store your odds and ends, or to simply protect the life and look of your deck, Trex RainEscape can do it all. Installing Trex RainEscape is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Our unique network of troughs and gutters guides the rain, snow, or spills away from the deck, leaving the space below dry and protected. The end result? All of that previously wasted space becomes the most valuable space in your house. Now, you have the perfect outdoor oasis to wind down and entertain your friends and family. Or make it a storage space to protect your outdoor gear like bikes, patio furniture, and even your lawnmower. Finally, with traditional construction, joists and deck framing are more vulnerable to the elements and the ravages of trapped moisture. With Trex RainEscape, water is captured and diverted away from the joist structure, saving the wood and adding years to the life of your deck. With the added benefit of a complete installation system, intelligent design, and proven reliability, Trex RainEscape really is the place where industry meets craftsmanship. Entertain your friends, protect your gear, and guard your joists against the elements. With Trex RainEscape, you can enjoy outdoor living no matter what Mother Nature has to offer. Take your deck from good to great with Trex RainEscape.